Okay, the last of the solutions video. This is Station 9. Okay, Unit 10, Station 9 review. Or 9 station review. Consider the following balanced equation. Okay, there's your equation. They've given you the molar masses for each. What mass of MgSO4 is formed when 80 grams of Mg are consumed? 80 grams of Mg are consumed. How much of this stuff can we make? So 80 grams of this, how much can we make of that? So here's what we do. We start out by writing, ready? 80.0 grams of Mg over 1. We go from grams of Mg to moles of Mg. And let's see. We've got a molar mass. In this case, 1 mole of this stuff weighs 24.30. Now, we look at the mole to mole ratio. We're going from moles of Mg into moles of MgSO4. Let's cancel that out, by the way. And moles of Mg. We see that it's at 3 moles of Mg to 3 moles of MgSO4. I can now cancel that out. I'm now in moles of MgSO4. My last step here is to go from moles back into grams. Okay, from moles into grams. I use the molar mass of MgSO4 to do that. Okay. I'll do the math. Well, let me just do the math instead of being silly about it here. 80 times 1 over 4.3 times 1. 3 over 3 is just 1 times 120.4 equals 396.37. 396. We'll just call it 38 grams. Okay, cancel that out too. Grams of MgSO4. Alright, next up. How many grams of aluminum are formed when 19 grams of Mg are used? Okay, so now this time we're going to go to 19 grams of Mg. How many grams of aluminum are formed? Okay, same process, guys. Look. You start by writing out 19 grams of Mg over 1. 1 mole of Mg weighs 24.30 grams. We're now in moles of Mg. So look at your units. Moles of Mg, that's what we're in. So now you go from moles of Mg to moles of aluminum, right? So you write moles of aluminum right there. And what am I going from? I'm going from moles of Mg. Now, do your mole to mole ratio, 3 moles of Mg to 2 moles of aluminum. Cancel this stuff out so you don't get lost, so you can still see where you're at. I'm now in the units moles of aluminum. All I got to do now is go from moles to grams. That's it. It's simple. And aluminum weighs 26.98 grams per mole. For 1 mole. Done. Grams of aluminum. Okay, I know I've set it up right, and as a result I know I'm going to get the right answer. So let's go ahead and do the math. 19 times 1 over 24.30 times 2 over 3 times 26.98 equals 14.06. That is my final answer. Okay, that's my final answer. Oops, that's not my final answer. Grams of aluminum. Alright, now that's my final answer. And that concludes the solutions videos.